Hello and welcome to day 6. Today we're going to look at some more keyboard shortcuts. So you'll remember yesterday we looked at different ways of selecting text. Today we're going to look at how to copy, cut and paste. So I've found a website that might be useful. It's got a list of all the shortcuts, so I will post the link to this in the YouTube channel. But you'll remember from yesterday that if we triple click like that, we can highlight the whole paragraph. So I'm going to bring up my keyboard. You'll remember that ctrl+A was select all. Today we're going to look at ctrl+C and ctrl+V initially. So ctrl+C or command+C if you're using an Apple computer will copy the text that you have selected. So I want to copy this paragraph, so I'm going to click on Ctrl and C. I'll just hide my keyboard. Then I'm going to go back to my Word document. I'll bring my keyboard up again. Obviously you don't need to have this on-screen keyboard, you can just use your own keyboard. Hold down the Control key and V is paste. So Ctrl+C to copy or Command+C on a Mac and Ctrl+V to paste, and you'll see that it's pasted it here. Now suppose I decide that actually I didn't want to put it there, I wanted to put this at the beginning of the paragraph. Obviously I could drag it, but I could cut it. That's like copy, but instead of just copying it, it removes it from its original location. So I can ctrl+X. Ctrl+X cuts. Then I can put it here. Ctrl+V. And now I've got that same paragraph at the top of my text. So those are 3 really useful keyboard shortcuts. Control or Command for a Mac, Ctrl+X is cut, Ctrl+C for copy, and Ctrl+V for paste. I hope you found that useful. See you tomorrow.